Alright guys, so I've been out here messing with this frame, figuring out exactly how I want to do this. Now, I had an old golf cart that had a real good frame on it still. So I cut the frame up to get all the pieces I would need. Found out that you can use a scroll saw with a thin blade, and then if you take packing tape and put packing tape over the top of this, it acts like a lubrication, and it seems to buzz right through all this stuff. And it's like 5 mil thick aluminum, so it worked pretty well. This is what I came up with. Is I have a plate that comes here. I made a top plate and then I made a bottom plate. Now the bottom plate is two of these plates put together, so they're double the thickness. I wanted to make the bottom one a little bit heavier or thicker, so this will all get welded right to the frame. This will tie into here and then tie into the original brace that was here. I may even make a piece from here up to finish that. And then I'm gonna go down, I gotta go pick some aluminum up so I can make a piece that goes from here. It'll wrap around this and then reattach itself right here. And then that way this whole thing will be boxed in. I just wanted something that kind of flowed with the frame. I didn't want to just slap a plate underneath there, and I know you can do that, it works, but I just wanted something that just like I said, flows with the frame. It's probably way overkill, but it won't. I guarantee it will never break. So I'm hoping this week I'll get started and get this all welded up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. Thanks for watching.